Hey guys, Leonard here. Right, so today I'm going to walk you through how you can use the execute query function with Postgres within n8n itself. So the reason why I'm using this is because um, I'm so this AI agent is actually part of an ops um, a project that I'm working on. So and then I just extract this AI agent out and to explain this part. So before this AI agent, there's actually a part where there's like three talking points uh, that we can talk about with with a lead, right? So this system actually suggests three talking points, and then apart from these three talking points, I also want to suggest an article that I can um, provide to the lead or to read up about that might be useful for them. And it's largely based on what I'm talking on, right? What the talking points are. So before this AI agent, there's three talking points here. I want to make sure that the articles that my AI agent suggests is relevant to the talking points. And I actually have this whole database of okay, so this is my own, so it's nothing private. This is my own demo websites and yeah, correct. So um, I actually have all the articles stored in database. There's 31 records for this one. So what I want the AI agent to do, right, is for every um, lead with the talking points, right, I want them to go through this database itself and then to find the the matched article headline and the matched article link, and then the reason why they choose it by analyzing the headline, overview, background story, problem solve, short summary, and yeah, all the information there. So I want them to analyze it myself, and then provide me with the best output possible. This is because if we don't use the tool over here, right, then the best second option will be calling all the articles over here, and then running whenever there's one lead there's a, there's talking points for a lead that run through, right? Then the one uh the one lead's talking points, right? The talking points for that one lead has to run through all the uh all the articles that was being caught that was being caught from this service get rows function, right? So and then after that I still need to run through an AI agent because after I call the other roles, then I need some kind of intelligence to kind of tell me that what is the best article, right? Then I'll choose it from there. So it's kind of troublesome because um, I'm essentially dealing with another node that is separated from this AI agent itself. It will cause more trouble for me. So what I want to do is I want to group this to under I want to group this node under this two section and then just use the execute query function. So whenever there's a set of talking points running through here, this AI agent will first because of the prompt, right, the AI agent will based on the talking points and then the client emails so they'll matched it, and then they will uh, execute the query function first to get to call the the notes to call the articles, right, and then they'll analyze it with the talking points and all these things. And also the good thing about this AI agent is that I can store the memory over here, and then this memory I can use it for future analysis. So like for example, I want to analyze what is the top used article, then I can generate a new content strategy from there. So if a certain content is being used 20 times out of 30 times, then I can kind of sense that there's a lot of there's repeated problems or surfacing again and again, and we can recommend to our clients to make more of this kind of content. And yeah, and then we can store in the database, and then we can really uh, help aid the talking points, so that we can provide better talking points, um, better articles for to aid the talking points, to aid the conversation, right? Then so that's the good thing about the memory. And then we have the LLM, which is the we have the model, which is the LLM. And then we can also structure our output, how we output the things, which yeah, so this is it. Okay, so right, how you exactly, I know that this has been really there's a lot of people talking about this. Uh, and what they ask you to do is just to comment below, and even if you comment below, you just got the JSON file. And it kind of and I think that you really need to know what is going on behind the scenes before you get the JSON file and then start working on it. Because at first, before I even built this AI agent, I was commenting to get relevant articles on this AI agent, but I didn't really understand them. So I use ChatGPT to aid how I built this AI agent, right? So okay, using ChatGPT, right? I'm just gonna be upfront, and I'll tell you how to use ChatGPT to um, create this entire thing, and really understand it. Okay, so you just tell them what is your database schema, and then what is my n8n input, what are the talking points or input, so meaning what's the name of the talking point, so they can reference it. And then I want to match the right article to the talking points, so that I could provide my clients with an article link that can help them to start a conversation or provide additional value to who they are talking to. How should I design my prompt for my tool AI agent in how should design my prompt for my tool in n8n's AI agent? Okay, to match talking points. Okay, so this is the prompt that they gave, which is really good, and how to feed articles into prompt. So what they suggest is, before the AI agent node, right? They ask me to use a SQL node in n8n, but in this case, I don't want to put it in front. I want to put it within. So what I told them is, okay. So I asked about which SQL node to pick first, and then they tell me all these things. But so they give me this SQL, and then okay, so and then I thought that I would like to include the SQL node in the AI agent as one of the tools. Can I have an improved query to get the data from source is? Okay, then this is the old query you provide me with. Okay, so this is the improved query, and then they just give you the improved query. So after that, just take the entire query. Okay, so first, right, you just create a new tool, then click Postgres tool, and then you get this. And then within this, click execute query, and then just paste the entire code over here. So that's about it. And then the prompt that they give here, right? Just take the entire thing and then paste it in this AI agent, right? This AI agent prompt, and then this chat is automatically created in your service uh, account, the project. So they'll automatically create a table and then store the information on there. Yeah, and then yeah, so that's about it. So this, right, can really accelerate how you do things, will really make it smarter. Yeah, because if you just depend on just one node over here, and then running through the AI agent, it still can work. But what if you want to add another tool for more intelligence? um, yeah, what if you want to generate a draft for them? So like using these talking points and this article, what if you want to generate a draft so that your clients can just take the draft and then edit them themselves and send it to and to reach out to the lead? You can just click the tool and then go to Gmail tool. I haven't really explored this, but I'm pretty sure you can do this. Yeah, you can generate a draft and then you can send it through here. You can send it here, or you can also draft it. Yeah, you can draft it here. And I'm pretty sure you can use other LLM prompts to really generate the draft out. Let me see if there's any. Yeah. So I think this will be the next step that I'm gonna explore. And I'll keep you guys updated if I manage to create a draft over here. But what I wanna say is that there's multiple tools that you can use in any operations, and if you were to just use the static node over here, right, it can't really give you much flexibility to move things around, to innovate and to be creative about your workflow. But using this AI agent, it can really uh, make you more flexible and give you more ideas of what are the tools that you can use over here, right? And yeah, so that's about it on how you can create a AI agent, an AI agent within n8n itself. So if you have any question, just leave the comments below. Leave your comments below, and I'll have a look at it. Right? Cheers.